friends, you're going to draw Smarty Pants from Toy Story 5.
We love this movie so much, and we thought it would be really fun to draw some of the new toys. And this is one of my favorites, Smarty Pants. And he's toilet paper, he's a potty trainer. And we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have.
And also, don't worry about making your drawing just like ours.
Yeah, it's okay if it looks different. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same. And that's okay because they both turn out awesome.
Yes.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw a big rectangle shape for the toilet paper, the main shape. We're gonna draw a line coming down. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of Smarty Pants. It's a big giant letter L because we're turning this into a rectangle shape. So then we're gonna draw the same size coming across the top and then down. Next, let's draw a line going across here. It's kind of just below half. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the handle. We're gonna draw another kind of rectangle shape coming up. Then we're gonna go over and come back down. And I kind of left a little space on each side. Yeah, then we're gonna make this a bit bigger. We'll draw a short line out and we can match on both sides. And then we're gonna draw a diagonal line. It's kind of not straight up. We're getting a little thicker towards the top, and then we can do the same thing on the other side to match. We'll get a little wobbly. That's okay, right?
Yes.
Most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and
Practice.
practice. We're gonna draw curving across and then straight and then curving into that corner too. And then on the sides right here, we're gonna connect it into the middle of the toilet paper. Okay, next let's draw the face, the Smarty Pants face. We're gonna draw two circles. We're gonna draw them kind of big and also kind of close together also. I found out that Conan O'Brien is the voice for Smarty Pants, which is awesome because I love Conan O'Brien. He's super funny. And he has crazy hair.
It does.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna draw his mouth. We're gonna draw a smile. Then we're gonna draw it open, so another curve underneath. And then right here, let's draw the tongue. And we're also gonna try to squeeze in little teeth. So I kind of drew a rectangle shape inside there. And then we can color in the back of the mouth. So we've got little teeth at the top. Yeah, just like that, and a tongue. Oh, let's add pupils. Little circle and color it in. We could also draw little eyebrows over the top of the eyes. And let's draw the screen and the buttons. So we got a rectangle shape right here. We're gonna draw going down and then over. And then we can draw the top and down. Let's add a little frame. So we're gonna repeat that same step and draw another rectangle that's really small inside. Yeah, there we go. There's a little screen. And then we have 3 buttons down here at the bottom. How high can Smarty Pants count?
To 2.
Yeah, to 2. There's a reason. I loved all of Smarty Pants jokes in the movie.
Yeah, they were really funny.
Yeah, they're really funny. And then, so there's I think this is the flush button. And then, because he's toilet paper because he's a potty trainer, right? Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna draw another button on the right and another button, left. I said right. Another button on the left and another button on the right. And one of my favorite things is that you can play this addictive game on Smarty Pants. But don't give away too much.
Yeah.
All right, we did it, Hadley. We finished drawing Smarty Pants, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. It's pretty simple though. Toilet paper color, then we have yellow, and the primary colors down here.
Yeah.
Yellow, blue, and red. All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Smarty Pants. This is one of my new favorite characters in Toy Story because he's toilet paper.
Yeah, it's super funny.
Yeah, and I want to press his buttons. Now you can pause the video to match our same color. We left the toilet paper white, even though in the movie I think it's kind of a subtle yellow color. But then we also colored the eyes because they're a screen color, and also this actual screen down here, kind of a light green gray color.
Yeah.
And we also gave him eyelids.
And we put a message in the screen.
Yep, and added the swirl to the middle one for the flushing, number 1 and number 2. Well, what was your favorite part with Smarty Pants in Toy Story?
When his batteries are low.
Yeah, he acts kind of crazy. But we don't want to give away too much. We hope you had a lot of fun following along with us, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.